Let's do this. He's good. GKGG bot. So much fun. Rushing the safe I cleared. Then I'm not a real YT. I got the same generic trash you get. Those loot goblins. I'm not gonna stick around and help their greedy ass. They gotta take all the good stuff anyways. Cheap gear leads to more skill. Embarrassing. Why I should stay humble, Lamau. I like to have some assist off. I want all the smoke of realism. Another one. I need to end this. I don't have time to rank. Good luck.